Today's topic is interrupts in 8085 microprocessor. Interrupt is an event that demands attention of the microprocessor. These are the sum of different interrupts. In the next slides, we will discuss all these interrupts. Here it is a flowchart for understanding of interrupts concept. Interrupts are generally classified into hardware interrupts and software interrupts. Hardware interrupt is externally initiated by the user when he wants to make an interrupt event for a particular application has to be done. Software interrupt is an interrupt that is created by the user at the time of program writing itself for a particular event has to be done. If you see here a program of microprocessor to print 1 to 100 numbers. After printing some 50 numbers, an interrupt is occurred from hardware side or from software side. Then the microprocessor moves to that interrupt event, and after finishing up that interrupt event, the microprocessor returns back to its previously stopped position, and again it starts to printing numbers. Interrupts classification is as follows. Hardware interrupts. Hardware interrupts is also called as pin interrupts. As we discussed before, these are externally initiated by the user. Among all these 5 interrupts, trap or RST 4.5 has most priority than remaining interrupts. Means when multiple interrupts occurs at a time for a microprocessor, the microprocessor pays attention towards trap interrupt. And order is as follows, highest to lowest. Software interrupts. These interrupts are existing in the form of 1 byte RST instruction, and these are used at the time of program writing. And we have 8 software interrupts, RST0 to RST7. Maskable interrupts. These are the interrupts which can be enabled or disabled by using instruction set. RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 are the hardware interrupts which can be enabled by setting SIM instruction set and disabled by resetting the SIM instruction set. RST0 to RST7 are the software interrupts which can be enabled by using EI instruction. EI means enable interrupt. RST0 to RST7 are disabled by using DI instruction. DI means disable interrupt. Non-maskable interrupt. An interrupt which cannot be disabled are called non-maskable interrupt. The interrupt trap or RST 4.5 is only the interrupt which is always in enable mode. Vectored interrupts. The interrupts available with of RST have some vector addresses, and these are the interrupts the microprocessor known interrupts. RST followed by any number have some vector addresses, and that can be calculated by using this formula. For example, RST 4.5. 4.5 number is multiplied with 8 and the result comes with 36 in decimals. If you division this decimal by 16, we can get hexadecimal number of 0024H. Similarly, if you convert any number, we can get all vectored addresses. Non-vectored interrupt. Which interrupt that is not available with of RST vector addresses is called non-vectored interrupt. The only interrupt without RST is INTR. These are the interrupts which are used for 8085 microprocessor. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.